guys, it's Charnicia J, and I'm back here with a hair tutorial, and I'm always on the go as I am right now. So I wanted to show you guys how I do my edges on the go when I have to be in a rush and go somewhere really quickly with Cream of Nature on the go edge control. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. Hi everybody, so I'm here to show you how to do your edges, and I'm using the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges on the Go edge control, and I already applied it to the parts that I want to put it on before I started the video because I didn't even realize I was going to be making a video. But then I just take my little edge brush and then I start swooping where I wanted to swoop and where my hair was already naturally going. And then I like to add a little bit of sauce to my sideburns. I'm a hairy person, and hair is all over my forehead, and I have sideburns as well. I have lots of hair. It even goes down my back, so after I finish up this part, I'm actually gonna go to the back and start working on it. And then when I finish the front and the right sideburn, I go to the top left and start working on that side. And I'm really just swooping it in the direction that the hair is braided, just so I won't mess up the braid itself. And then I'm swooping my sideburn on that side as well. And yeah, I'm showing y'all my little sauce on the side because I love to add something extra to my hair. I love details. I'm a designer, so anything that I can add detail to, I'm always gonna add it. Sorry if you guys hear my mom in the background screaming, laughing and stuff, but anyway, I'm gonna move to the back. I guess I dropped the cap, but anyway. So I just squeeze a little bit on my finger, and then I just feel where the hair needs to go because I can't see in the back of my head and I don't have another mirror that's standing up. I guess I should have done this in my room where there were a lot of mirrors, but anyway, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. And I just like put the edge control where I know that the hair is lining up with the braid, so it doesn't look a hot mess when you look at the back of my head. I wish I would have gotten a better shot back here, but anyway, you guys get what I'm doing here. Now I'm just showing you guys how it ended up looking in the back. And then here's the front. I think it looks okay. So this is what I came up with. And I'm really just checking it out, making sure you guys get a good look in the camera. I'm actually looking in the mirror as well. Oh, and then I noticed there was another part that needed to be controlled with the edge control. So I'm doing that part, and I hope you guys like it and see what I've done, and I hope this helps you guys if you're trying to do your edges.